Indrajit still continues to be with us on this particular story. Indrajit, we did see Prime Minister Modi just a few days ago invoke Rabindranath Tagore when he was at the university address as well. And today you've got Momta's rally, which is specifically going to be talking about the songs of Rabindranath Tagore. The theme of the roadshow is going to be just this.
Well, absolutely, Chaiti. You know, Tagore is right at the center of this pitched political battle between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress. Who would have thought? And this happening right here in Shantiniketan in Bolpur. And you know, the Trinamool Congress is trying to use icons like Rabindranath Tagore, even as the BJP too is trying to appropriate some of the Bengali icons like Tagore, like Swami Vivekananda, and of course Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. We saw how a few days back Amit Shah came and visited Vishwa Bharati University, which is just a stone's throw distance from where this rally is taking place. And that was not a political outreach, no. There were no political statements that were made at Vishwa Bharati, but the optics were very, very important, because the BJP understands that in order to counter the Trinamool strategy of targeting the BJP, of trying to portray the BJP as a party of outsiders which does not understand the cultural heritage of Bengal, it requires to reach out to the public over icons like you know, Swami Vivekananda. We saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi a few years back coming and spending a night at Belur Math, which was founded by Swami Vivekananda, and now Amit Shah coming to Vishwa Bharati. And today, Mamta Banerjee, of course, out on the streets. You know, we can hear Rabindra Sangeet playing in the backdrop. As we have been saying, we just played out the interview of Basudev Das Baul, who was there at the event of Home Minister Amit Shah, and Amit Shah ate lunch there. And it is going to be a cultural battle as well between both these parties at this point in time. Back to you, Chaiti.
And it is going to be a cultural battle at this point of time. But, you know, the most important question is this, Indrajit. Indrajit, all of this is being done to garner the support of the electorate. What is the sentiment looking like on the ground ahead of the West Bengal Assembly elections?
हाँ, मिल रही है.
Indrajit, can you hear me? So Didi upping the ante right there against the Bharatiya Janata Party. It's a massive roadshow. We'll get you all the very latest updates from Bengal and as we go along the way.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.